Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going to be discussing DCA. What is DCA? Dollar cost averaging. Let's get started. So dollar cost averaging is pretty self-explanatory, if I'll be honest. You're averaging your dollar or your pound or your whatever currency to an average throughout a time period. So this can best be explained through examples. Say I wanted to purchase some Bitcoin. I wanted to invest £10,000. I have a few options when I make the purchase. One, I can put in the full £10,000 in one go. Or two, I can dollar cost average. What this essentially means is I'm putting in money at certain intervals to make a purchase from my budget. So, for example, from that £10,000, say I put in £500 a week for 20 weeks. That should equate to £10,000. I'm minimizing the risk of purchasing Bitcoin in one go and the Bitcoin price plummeting down or going up. There are quite a few benefits to dollar cost averaging. One is the psychological aspect. Investing does involve a lot of psychology, especially if you see the price of your investment decreasing or even increasing, if I'll be honest. However, averaging and investing regularly can, and to be fair, will reduce risk. Obviously, I just want to put a disclaimer out there. I'm not a financial advisor, legal, tax, or any of such. All this content is for education and for entertainment purposes. So please do read my disclaimer. It's just my opinions which I'm mentioning here. Dollar cost averaging can also reduce the headache of timing the market. Say, for example, Bitcoin was at, let's be nice here, £5,000 per coin. If I were to dollar cost average and put in £1,000 a week, if Bitcoin in 1 week went to £6,000, I would purchase it at 6,000. And then if it went down to 3,000, the next week I'd purchase it at 3. Rather than me having the emotion of me putting in the full £10,000 in on the one day which was 5,000, and then it goes down to 3,000. Therefore, I've made a loss. I could have purchased more Bitcoin. What type of individual should use the dollar cost averaging strategy, in my opinion? For somebody that doesn't want to even look at the markets, they just want to invest into something for a long-term methodology. Therefore, investing regularly, putting in a couple of hundred or 1,000 or a couple of tens of thousands of pounds every week, month, and just accumulating. This is somebody that should use this methodology. Why? It's the most beneficial. However, if you are somebody that analyzes data and charts to see how prices are increasing or decreasing, dollar cost averaging may not be the best method for you. Why? If you can see there's an uptrend and it's continuously going up for a few months, it's probably better to purchase it all in one go. However, if you were, as I mentioned, somebody that doesn't really care about all that, they just want to invest and hold money for the next 10 years, hold Bitcoin and hold other stocks maybe, then this methodology is excellent. I hope you all enjoyed this video and it was informative enough to give you an idea of what dollar cost averaging is. If you did enjoy this video, please pop a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you're new, and comment down below if you have any questions. Finally, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you all next time. Take care.